So today I'm here with Donmily Wigs. Alright, so this is the box packaging. It has their social media on the front here. So let's see what we got today. Open it. I see a wig cap, and I got this bag here with like comb, earring, and a pair of lashes. So that's good. This is the wig, and that's all that came in the box. Today's wig is a 26-inch highlight wig. It's so pretty. It is pre-plucked, so that's gorgeous. It's a 13x4 lace front, and it has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's not brassy. When I get these highlighted wigs, that's one thing I look out for. I can definitely see that this is not brassy. It's extremely soft, nice and full, but doesn't feel heavy. So you have to look out for those things, you know. The curls are really nice and defined. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into installing this right now.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets. Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom, I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. At 21. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. I'm just a kid. Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know from. Yeah, doing things I shouldn't do. At 21. Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh, oh, and you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know, I didn't know, but now I'm 21, it's all of 50 years, and now that you are gone.
Okay guys, so of course I did my extra swoops. You don't have to, you know, you already know this whole edge thing, baby hair swoops is optional. You can always go in, and I've done quite a bit of wig looks where I've done absolutely no swoops, you know, no baby hairs, nothing like that. For this portion of the video though, I don't feel I'm gonna be putting on any like makeup. Oh my gosh, these curls are nice. I'm not gonna wait to open this shot. I'm not done yet though, but I'm gonna be just going with my fresh face. I'm gonna use my wax stick and my hot comb to kind of just get it really flat in the front here. And I doubt I'm going to be doing a parting on this one today, because that's the vibe. It's so nice and fluffy. It doesn't feel dry. You know, sometimes, you know, the hair is processed and sometimes it might come off dry. This is just lovely, absolutely lovely. I'm gonna go in and start just using my wax stick on this.
I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, feels like I'm 50. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't go for. I'm
all done, and I'm coming to you fresh faced with just a little lip gloss and lashes. That's it. This hair is pretty. It's not the first time I'm working with a highlighted curly wig. This reminds me so much of my birthday look in 2019. Yeah, it is gorgeous, and that's why I decided to even go ahead and just show you dry, because it's like it's just a vibe. I didn't have to wet it up. Now yes, I am getting minimal shedding, let me just tell you that. Every time I run my fingers through the hair, I am getting minimal shedding, so definitely putting that out there to you guys. It's not like excessive, but it's there. Okay, it's soft, it doesn't feel dry, it doesn't look brassy. You know, the construction of the wig is very nice. And I just did this headband around it because I genuinely did the headband around it because I genuinely didn't feel like doing a parting to them. I don't, you know, I'm not in a vibe for that. So yeah, that's what that is. But I love it. The look, it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna be sure to put the and I'm gonna insert a clip when I'm actually wearing some makeup, so you can see just, you know, variety. So I'm going to be sure to put the specifications to this wig in the description box, you know, the direct link if you're interested in purchasing it. Shout out to Donmily here for this gorgeous wig. And that's it for today. That's today's wig look. So yeah, just go and big up on yourself, go and stay tuned, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets. Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom. I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars.